Hello, welcome back. This is Gabriel, and today we are going to be looking at the update query. The update query is used to modify the existing records in a table. You can use where clause with the update query to update the selected rows. Otherwise, all the rows will be affected. So let's see on how we can do this practically. Our example here, the table we are going to be using here is table employee, and we are going to see on how we can update this table. Let's take for example where the age is 39. We want all the salary. We make a mistake here by giving 8,000, so we want it to be say 90,000 instead. So we are going to use the update. Is update table. Which table? We have to give a table name. The table name here is employee, and then you set the value. You set, then what are we setting? You are setting the column name. Which column do you want to set here? You want to set the last name and the salary, where want to give it name. We want to give this name to be let's say Papi. The last name should have to be Papi. Let's set the last name equals to Papis, and then comma. Then we set the salary to be equal to, we say we want it to be 75,000, where the age is equal to 39. Okay, remember, update table name, set column, comma, where column is equal to salary is equals to. We can have multiple columns here where the age is 39. So if we execute this, let's execute. You see we have 5 rows affected. So we select star from employees. We will see that the table last name is Papis, and then the salary have changed to 75,000. So wherever there is age is 39, that salary changes to 75,000. That is how we can easily update existing records. Now, say for example, we want all the salary, the column on the salary column to be 75,000, and then we want the last name to be, say for example, Ngong. So what we are going to do is that we don't need to use the where clause anymore, because we want the entire column to be 75,000 and the last name to be Ngong. So in that case, we just use the column names, that is select update employee, set last name equals to Ngong, and salary to be equals to 75,000. So if we execute this, we are going to see that 25 rows are affected. So we now select star from employees. You see that inside our salary column we have 75,000 throughout, and in the last name we have gone throughout. So that's just how you can easily use the update statement to update existing records in your table. If you have any further questions, you can just simply comment below this video, and for more videos just go to YouTube and type Gatech to get my channel. You can subscribe on my channel as well as share my videos. You can contact me directly if you're in Cameroon, or you can WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number for more details or more videos. Please donate if you wish to support us to take this project forward, so that we can create this website and then provide you with more videos. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video.